All right, guys. You know what the favorites are. We just went over them. Amgen, Baidu, Google, and GIS. We have about 2 minutes before the market opens. And gotta minimize that. There we go. I really like this Amgen over 177, but the one I'm really looking at, guys, is Google under the lows. I want to be very clear about Google. You're gonna need about a $5 stop loss. Okay, you're gonna need about a $5 stop. Yep, shit on Baidu. Baidu's already moving, guys. We'll have to find a different entry on Baidu. All right, so no harm, no foul. GIS. So I'm gonna say this: stalking GIS under 41.85 and Google under 1,000. What is that? 58 off the open. Okay. I like those. Now remember, I'm gonna be very, very clear. Oh shit, I'm sorry, my bad. I thought I did. Thank you, Peter. I just honestly forgot. Hold on 1 second here. I took it down on purpose to put the other screen back up. All right, there you go. Sorry about that, bud. All right, so guys, on the Goog, this thing is going to be ridiculous off the open. Like, the spread's going to be $2, okay? So we're going to have to just kind of see how this plays out, all right? On Google. I don't normally take Google on, 30-second lows or highs because it is so spready. The other thing to be mindful, right around 1058, guys, is a rising 200 period moving average on the 60. I do not like moving averages. I don't talk about moving averages that much, but there is a rising 200 period moving average on the 60. Okay, on Google. So let's keep an eye on see how that goes. Okay, Amgen, guys, watch it over 177, and there we go. We're off to see the wizard. All right. So Amgen's pulling in right here. PayPal watch. Baidu, guys, is definitely worth a watch. The only negative with Baidu is it's gone. It's already dropping. That's the problem on Baidu. Google is bouncing. LRCX, guys, is also dropping pretty heavy here. GIS, guys, stalk GIS. All right, stalk GIS. Be like 42 by 42.20. I don't know if I want to get in at 42.10. But we really need to get under 41.85, guys. So anything, I'm going to put an order in for GIS, guys. 42 by 42.20, but GIS 42. Guys, I got nothing. Did you guys get anything? Look at that. You saw it. I just got skipped. Flat out skipped. I got nothing, guys. I'm canceling my order. I got nothing on it. Fuck. That sucks. CERN, guys, over 63, guys, with a 70-cent stop, guys. CERN, 63 by 62.30. CERN, 63 by 62.30. I'm a little pissed off, guys, at GIS. And again, that's real trading. It's right back up, but we would have already been at break even or near target on it. All right, so let's keep an eye on GIS, guys. AMAT under 49.50. Let's keep an eye on AMAT under 49.50. And let's keep an eye on GIS, guys. It came right back up. If it comes back down to the low of the day, GIS. If GIS comes back down to 41.75, I might give this thing a shot. All right. CERN, order is in on CERN, guys. Order is in on CERN. Okay. It's a whippy, spready stock. You could probably get away with a 50-cent stop on this thing. All right.
Order filled.
Order is in on CERN, guys. Let's see what happens with this thing. All right, we need a lot. We need a lot on CERN, okay? We need about $1. All right, let's put that there. It's not the break I was really looking for. And, yep, gonna have that stop at 62.48. All right, GIS, guys. Let's watch GIS. Let's keep an eye on GIS under 41.85. BA is moving. All right, BA is moving. But again, I mean, you'd be looking at 346. It's popping already. BA is already popped. Wow, it's very spready. Guys, GIS, guys, 20-cent stop. Let's do 25-cent stop. 41.85 by 42.05. Okay, GIS 41.85, guys. GIS 41.85 by 42.05. It's a 20-cent stop. All right. All right. CERN is really whippy, guys. CERN is really whippy. All right, let's see if GIS. See if GIS gets it done. Okay, so we're in 2 plays, guys. We'll see what happens. Neither one is really looking great, honestly. Okay, Amgen is coming back up. GIS is not looking so hot at the moment. And CERN, honestly, I got to be honest, I'm not happy with how CERN is trading, guys. CERN went 22 cents. It looks like it's going to stop out. It honestly doesn't look very good. CERN stopped to 62.50. So both of these trades are looking like crap. Nvidia, BA is ripping. All the ones that aren't supposed to be ripping are ripping, and the ones that are supposed to be going aren't. Baidu, guys. Baidu is worth a watch. Keep an eye on that. Google is interesting under 1063. Let's keep an eye on Google. All right, under it'd be 1063.60. It's triggering right. You have about a $5 stop. All right. I'm tempted to get out of both of these guys. These are not moving in the fashion in which I would normally expect these things to move. Nvidia, you can watch. Absolutely, keep an eye on Nvidia at 251.70. GIS target is going to be like 41, I don't know, 53 area, something like that, roughly, okay? CERN target is going to be, what is it, 63.97 area. But again, it's not looking so hot on CERN. Yeah, CERN's going to stop, guys, all right? CERN's going to stop. Have your stops in on CERN. GIS, a whippy little guy, isn't it? Dropping down to 70, coming right back up. I don't like those bottoming tails on that. And the CERN is going to stop out, guys. Okay, CERN is going to stop. Stops at 62.50. Share size for 62.30, so it should be a smaller stop if it does stop, but it's almost definitely going to stop. Hopefully we don't take bad slippage. All right, see it right here? It's about to stop. Okay, hopefully we don't take bad slippage. That's the only thing I can hope for at this point. All right. All right, Baidu. Maybe we'll be the world's luckiest traders and it'll hold by a penny, but I highly doubt that. LRCX, let's watch. We missed a 3-bar play on AMAT, guys. All right, we missed a 3-bar play on AMAT. All right. JWN says Cliff at 46.55. I missed it, but you know what? That's tough on Cliff. I talked about it earlier, sitting right on support, man. I have a hard time with that one. SLB and Halliburton. The pattern's not there, but you can watch the strength of them. All right, guys. If CERN gets back to break even, I may walk a little on this. GIS, guys, just dropped 20 cents. Man, this thing keeps leaving nasty bottoming tails. All right, guys. GIS stop 41.90. We should be going to break even, guys. GIS, per my rules, I should be at break even. It went exactly 1R, 20 cents. All right, but I'm putting it above this 5-minute bar. It'll be a 7-cent loss. And CERN, like I said, CERN's about to stop us. It held by, oh, wow. All right, I only took 6-cent slippage on CERN. Okay, that's not too bad. I only took 6-cent slippage. That's not bad. All right, out CERN, guys. Out CERN at 62.43.7. Okay, guys, Baidu is really interesting. The problem is you got to give it a $3 stop loss, right? Got to give it a $3 stop under 257. I don't think I can do that. Let's see, it's put in $6 today. Does do. Let's try a $2 stop loss on Baidu, guys. All right, 257, guys. 257 by 259. That's a little aggressive on Baidu. Baidu 257 by 259 short, guys. Okay, that's a tight. I know it doesn't seem like it, but that's actually pretty tight on Baidu. If it gets under the low of the day, it should move a little bit. Okay, we need like 254 on it. We need a lot. We need a lot. Okay, we need a whole lot. All right, let's see if she has any room in her. Okay, so Baidu target is 254 area. All right, it's not the area I really wanted to trade this thing. And I gotta be honest with you guys, I'm a little skeptical here of GIS. Shit, that's not a good start to Baidu, is it? We might have a quick stop on Baidu, guys. Wow, look at that, right back up. Triggered us in, snookied us. If this comes back down to the low of the day, it should be really good. If it does, it may not, but if it does, it should be really good. GIS, guys, 41.85 on the stop at this point. All right, if we can sneak another 10 cents out of her, I'd be really pleased. Baidu's gonna stop, guys. Fucker. Come on, hold, baby, hold. GIS, we need 10. Baidu's going to stop, guys. Baidu's going to stop. All right, I'm out Baidu, guys. I hope it breaks 260 because that was the real stop on this thing. I will get back in this at 256.68, guys, on Baidu. All right. So, Baidu stopped. Full. So full stop and a partial stop. If we get GIS to go just a couple more pennies. Come on, baby. Out. Boom. Full target. Out GIS. Good. Out GIS at what was that? 41.54. So that helps. Okay. So well done on the GIS. Not so well done on CERN and Baidu. Baidu, I'm more disappointed than CERN, honestly. That was a solid little entry pattern on Baidu, and they're shaking the 3-bar play. Broke the low by 10 cents, and now it's just bouncing heavy. So we'll see what happens. All right. Okay. So right now, the short idea is Google, not so good. AMAT bouncing. JWN Cliff, it's working, brother. It's working. You know, 46.50. It's working. We'll see. $46 is that wall of support on the daily, so we'll see what happens. All right. Okay. All right. I'm down half of an R today, guys. Exactly half of an R. All right. That's $95 at this moment. DE is moving. Following earnings. Okay, what's CAT doing? That's in the same sector. Terex, same sector. Manitowoc, same sector. Nothing. Okay. Yates likes PayPal. PYPL. You know, PayPal's interesting, guys. 80.55 area. Keep an eye on that. What about Amgen at 176? This is aggressive, but I like Amgen right here, guys, with a 30-cent stop. It's a little aggressive, but I kind of like the Amgen right here. This is not a play I normally take. Let's do Amgen, guys. I'm trying to see if I really want this. 176.20 by 175.80. It's 40 cents. It is 176. Is that really right? 176.60? It's not a very good risk to reward at the high of the day. All right, 176.20 by 175.90, guys. Bit aggressive. Let's see what happens with it, because it's pulling right back right now. And this is what I don't want to see on these things. Okay. Nice job on your GIS if you took it, guys. There's your 2R on it. All right, went 45 cents from entry. Okay. JWN, Cliff, I'm impressed. I'm not going to lie. I didn't think that stock would do that. I gave a whole speech how it was at daily support, and it's sitting right there. The low is 45.81, and it's sitting at 45.75, so I'm blown away by that. That's impressive. Amgen, guys, a little bit choppy. I don't know if I'm going to take Amgen. I don't like how it just kind of shook down like that. All right, so... We lost $1.95 on Baidu. That's 1R. That's fine. On CERN, a little less than that, right? And then on GIS, almost 300, which is exactly an R and a half, 1.5 to 1. Yates has the PYPL, guys. Kind of popped up to 62, is pulling back in. I'm seeing a lot of chop. Guys, Amgen is really tempting me here. I'm having a really hard time trusting it. And there it goes. There it popped. But I really like this thing at 176.20 with a 30-cent stop. That's a pretty damn good pop. A 20-cent pop is pretty good. Yeah. Oh, well, I didn't take it. So, all right, let's. I'm going to start scanning. It's a little bit early to be scanning, but I don't have a whole lot of other stuff on my gap list that's looking really good at the moment. Amgen's already up 1 to 1. Go figure, guys. It's just kind of been that way all week. You know what I mean? Kind of been that way all week. We'd be at break even already on Amgen. That's how nice that pop is. All right. All right. 178.20 by 175.90. I mentioned it, and the high of the day is kind of sort of the target. Not quite. You need a little more than that. You need a little more than that. But look at that thing. Boom. All right. We're not in that. Let's move on. Wow, Momo is ripping. Too thin on the ILMN. Markets are moving up slightly here, guys. Not much. It's mostly chop. Nvidia was strong. Let's see. Nah, nothing there. Rost. Roy likes Rost. Under 82.50. Yeah, with more time, I do like Rost. I don't know where I'd put the stop on this right now. I mean, you could probably go 82.70. It's thin, so I need a little more time on it, Roy. I do like it, though. Wow, look at Amgen. We'd be out at break even, probably. BA was the one today. Unmall took the BA there, guys, and that ended up being the one. And I didn't think it would be because it's right at resistance. So it goes to show, hey, sometimes, you know, support and resistance holds, and sometimes it doesn't. You know, sometimes it holds and sometimes it doesn't. CPB is weak right here, guys. You're looking at a 25-cent stop. If you like CPB, extend it a little bit. Amgen left a big topping tail. I would have been out of this at break even, 100%. So no harm, no foul there. Got a little, I guess, lucky for not taking it. I'm not sure what you want to call it. But I would have been out at break even. The Rost is interesting. Enough to put it on the list, but again, I need a little more time on it. I'm going to scan on the losers, the dollar losers side for a couple minutes, guys, and see what happens. I can't believe we were the low of the day on Baidu. That's kind of funny. It's not funny at all, but it's funny. PayPal stopped to 0.28 per Yates. Guys, what about LRCX? Nice job on your PayPal. Wow. LRCX, guys, under 194. Under 194. I know that's a ways away, but like 194.20 with a stop at 195. See how, guys, if it fails this 1 minute double bottom, look at this 1 minute. See that double bottom? If it fails that, it should go lower, right? So you'd be looking at about $1.10 on the stop. So let's see. Yeah, about. Okay, let's do that. All right, let's do it, guys. 194.10. Okay. Let's do like 12. Okay. By 195.30. So here it is, LRCX 194.12 by 195.30 short. This may get canceled, guys. Nice job on your BA, guys. Target hit. Well done, Unwall. Well done. You guys picked the needle in the haystack today. I want to see if it basically it doesn't hold this double bottom. Right now it looks higher. Okay, it looks higher. All right, but if it comes back down to 194, that will be a powerful sign. So look at the Amgen, guys. You see how the Amgen kind of came right back to break even? Again, I would have been out at break even. Why? It came back to 176.10. The entry was 176.20, and now it's back up. All right, so what else? Google may be coming in a little bit. That CPB is still sitting there at 34.50. Interesting idea, just throwing it out there. It's about a 25-cent stop on CPB. I don't know how much more room it has left in it. We're probably going to cancel LRCX, guys. I'm going to wait just a tad longer. Jack in the Box under 81 looks interesting. All right. All right. SEP. Interesting consolidation, but mostly bottoming tails. LRCX is, I'm going to still keep it valid for the time being, guys. It's a wide stop, though. Let's see if it comes right back down, okay, on LRCX. All right. CERN is just rolling, okay? Just rolling over. Yeah, it's a nice week on Wall. Congrats, man. Well done. A lot better week than I'm having, that's for damn sure. So let's see. SMH, Rost kind of bounced a little bit. LRCX. All right, let's cancel this for now, okay? So cancel LRCX, cancel, okay? Keep an eye on it though, all right? Keep an eye on it. Wow, look at Amgen again, guys. Look at how sloppy these things are. All right, look at that right there. That's ridiculous. 75-cent shake. Man, that's just some sloppy stuff this week. I'm still watching LRCX, guys. I do not want to take this off the list, okay? This thing leaves a topping tail. Let's see, a good day for this thing's about $6. Today it's put in about 4. A really good day is about 10. So, man, we need $3. That's the problem. We're gonna have to give it $1.75, guys. All right, so I'm gonna reinstate it, guys. Reinstate it. 194.14 by 195.75. $1.50 or so. LRCX 194.14 by 195.75. $1.60 on the stop. Okay. The low there is 23, so I'm giving it about 10 cents under the low. All right. Yeah, well done, Cliff. I mean, you're sitting on that weekly support, that daily support. I hope it gets there for you. All right, so let's see what happens here on LRCX. I'm having a little bit of trust issue in terms of the range. I love the pattern, but the range is my concern on LRCX, guys. Right? I don't know if she's got. We're gonna need about 250 out of it. Right? That's a lot. It's a lot for a stock that's already gone $4. All right. GIS low of the day, LRCX coming in. You can watch AMAT under 49. All right, watch AMAT under 49. Okay. PayPal's hanging in there, PYPL. All right, LRCX, guys. Very close. All right. Let's see. Usually I wait for the whole number. So let's see if it breaks the whole number. All right. Low of the day is 193.63. So let's see what happens with this thing. Love to see it break the low. You know. So markets are going red. And we'll find out what happens with this thing. Okay. We need a lot, guys. I want to stress that. We need a lot. All right? Okay, a lot. So don't get too excited. We need like 192, something like that. Somewhere around 192. Okay? I don't like that shake and bake right there. So LRCX 190, 175 target. Okay. Hopefully she drops. We need a lot. Okay. GIS new lows. Rost hanging out in that range. Qs going lower here. SPY going lower. Hopefully that will help us on LRCX. I'll be honest, there's a piece of me, a small piece of me that wants to break my plan on this thing and just get out for a 100-hour gain just to be break even and just say no mas. You know, this week has been choppy, but I think we need to stick to our guns. I'll probably take some off at 1R if we get there on LRCX. If we get there on LRCX. IQV, I think I saw that pre-market. You know, IQV. Yeah, over 102 is interesting. It's put in a pretty good move so far, right? It's put in a pretty good move on the IQV. But yeah, it's not a bad play there at like $200. You're looking at a stop. It's about 80 cents, something like that. You know, 10, 15 cents spread mark. Volume's fine on it. What else? That SEP is still a little bit interesting, guys. I like the way this LRCX is going yet, but hopefully we'll get a solid move out of it, right? Hopefully. If we break the low of the day, I'm going to get the stop down to 195.25, about 50 cents. I think I'm going to do that now, actually. All right, mitigate risk a little bit. So LRCX stop to 195.25. We need about 192.50 to go even. Maybe a little more than that, something like that, give or take. All right. Is that 110? Okay. Wow, Amgen, what a dog! Look at this thing on Amgen. What a dog. WBA. I'm not seeing a lot I really like, guys, honestly, and truth, I'm not even trusting LRCX that much. You know, I'm hoping it tanks, obviously, but I'm not trusting anything today. Things are just, I'm having a hard time finding, let's see. Yeah, I can't do that for you right now, buddy. I got to do that in about 45 minutes. There we go on LRCX. Okay. I'll take 10.
Order filled.
I'll take 10 off. I had 110 shares of this. I just took 10 off. You got to laugh. But anyway, LRCX, if this thing breaks 193, I'm going to go, it's a little early though. I don't want to go even just yet. We'll go to 194.50, okay? So if it breaks 193, we'll go to 194.50, okay, on the stop. Okay. All right, so 194.50 LRCX. All right. Just trying to mitigate the risk is all, guys. All right. Things are choppy today, and I'm just not seeing a lot of follow through. So, wow, look at GIS, guys. Woo. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. And I didn't see like a lot of people took that with me. It's actually a really good entry. It's almost a 3-bar play. And then you had right there at 41.80 on the 1 minute. Took a little while, but you're looking at a 20-cent stop, and it's down, what was it down? It's down about 75 cents. That's almost 4 to 1. Almost 4 to 1. You know? Market, yeah, PayPal's holding, you know? It's selfish of me, but I want the market to tank here. You know, it's sitting. Look at the 15-minute on the Qs right there, guys. This is a big time support area, right? Bottoming tail bounce, bottoming tail, we'll find out. And then all of yesterday, remember we talked about the 167 area pre-market? If the markets get under 167, it's going to get ugly. It's going to get very ugly. But there's a lot of support there before they break it. And the same with the SPY, right? We talked about 271 being support, and then we also talked about 270. So we'll see what happens in those areas, guys. All right, we'll see what happens in those areas. Okay? So, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. As you know, I always say bye to my kids at this time every day. All right, guys. So again, LRCX broke. Went, I don't know, about $1.30. All right. Yeah, dude, I can't give that to you now, brother. I just said that. I can't. What do you want me to do? Just stop what I'm doing? Give me 40 minutes. Give me 30 minutes. All right. All right. 194. I'm going even, guys. It's a little early. Gonna go 194.16 on LRCX. Okay. LRCX stopped to 194.16. That's a little bit early. Okay. It's about 20 cents early on that. Okay. Market's still hanging out in this range, and wow, BA, what a beast, man. What a beast. Impressive. Impressive. I'm thinking about consciously breaking my plan here, guys, which is not a good thing, man. Thinking about taking half of LRCX off the table just to get back to break even for the day. I hate that mentality, that break even mentality. It's a loser's mentality, but yet, you know, down about 80 bucks, this would get me pretty close to break even. It is that, I mean, it's not an excuse. I'm just being truthful. It's just a bad mental frame of mind. You know what I mean? It's a loser's mentality. And I'm just sitting here thinking to myself, do you trust this or not? And the answer is I don't really trust it that much. I don't. And I don't have any reason not to. All right. Here's about 1R, guys. And
order filled.
I'm out half. There you go. Broke the rules, broke the plan. You happy now? You can all chastise me. All right, so the good news is I'm back to break even for the day. Bad news is I cost myself some money. All right. So guys, we need about 191.70, something like that. I'm not justifying it. I'm just telling you the real reason. I wanted to be break even today, and it's not a good excuse. I just said it. It's a loser's mentality. At least I'm being honest about it. You try to hide it, right? You're trying to sit there and like act like, I didn't do anything wrong. Nobody looked. Turn your head the other way. Anyway, here's the good news. Here's the good news. We can go legitimately to break even now. We went exactly 1R, and we can go legitimately to break even now. Okay? So that's following the rules. Selling half was not following the rules. All right, so let me post that real quick. Out half of LRCX at, I don't know what that was. So 192.71. Stop is okay. JWN stopped on the penny. That sucks, Cliff. I'm sorry to hear that, man. There's nothing worse in the trading universe than being stopped on the penny on something. Okay, there's nothing worse in the trading universe than being stopped on the penny. And now it's coming back down to the lows. I gotta be honest, for me, this has been a choppy week. The only day I really feel like bad about was yesterday, right? Where we, or I shouldn't say we, where I missed two trades, BZUN and PLCE. Other than that, this week, Monday choppy, Tuesday choppy. You know, in that respect, kind of a choppy week. But, you know, that's it. That's trading. That's life, guys, right? You can't have a smoking week every week. And that's just, you know, again, that's the way it goes. Maybe we'll get another dollar from LRCX. I told you guys earlier it's going to be a tough one to get full target on this thing, and it is what it is at this point. I took my half off, a shade below 1R, and that's it. You know what I mean? So now the rest we got to wait for. Still scanning. Market's putting in a new low here. All right. And if you guys have anything you're looking at, Jack would have worked. Let's take a look. Yeah, if you got in under 81, you're looking at a dollar stop. So I wouldn't say it worked. Well, I guess, yeah, I mean, there's no way you could use a 30-cent stop on it, but maybe you could use a 50-cent stop. It's just really thin on the Jack, you know what I mean? Google's back down. Baidu curling, sort of. Yeah, Google's pretty sloppy, guys. Right? Google's pretty sloppy. Our LRCX hanging in there, guys. Our stop is I'm going to go dead even. What I mean by that is I was a couple pennies above it. 194.12. Bottoming tail. Probably going to see a bounce here on LRCX, guys. And it is what it is at this point. Okay? It is what it is. Broke the rules slightly already, so... Yeah, MU needs more time. I like it under 53.50. I agree, just needs more time. Q's lower here. All right, SPY lower here. The Q's actually under 167.40 are shortable, right? Let's blow this up a little bit, all right? There's the 15. There's room to 167, right? So 167.50, right now 167.40. You have about 40 cents down to this pivot, and we'll see what happens down in that pivot area. Okay, let's take a look at QTNT, ORPN. Yeah, not feeling those. I'm almost as bad as a novice trader sometimes. XYZ higher, it's 19 bars up. Thank you, we knew it was higher. How could you tell? I don't know, the 7 bars up. I'm so bad. All right, guys, put your targets in here. All right, I'm gonna put mine. We're gonna end up getting about 1R out of this. I'm gonna go 191.85 on LRCX target. Let's see if we can get under 192. Come on, baby. All right, there we are. Right now, I'm about an R up on this thing. I'm tempted to walk, just sell it for 1R. And I may, when it gets low 192s, I may. Guys, I may walk on this thing soon. I was risking about $1.80 on it, and that's about where it's at right here. So, dumping more right there. Did not fill me. Did not fill me. All right, so we'll see. Man, that's about it. If you guys have any other ideas you really like, please shoot them on out there. I've been scanning the short side for quite a while now. Not seeing things I really like. You know, I've been scanning the short list for a while now, and again, not seeing things I really like. This is a bummer. Coming right back up. Okay. All right. That stop back in. All right, stops back in, guys, and we're bouncing. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see. Google, guys, I don't know if I trust it. Honestly, don't know if I trust it. Rost hanging out. I'd like to see something on the relative strength side not named Boeing. Right? Boeing obviously is having a monster. So is PayPal. I mean, Yates, you did a great job, and Unwell, you did a great job. You picked the two stocks, right, the two stocks that were the strongest stocks out there. It's hard to do. You pick the two needles in the haystack. I mean, I picked GIS short. The problem is I went long on CERN and short on Baidu, and Baidu didn't work. You guys get what I'm saying, though. It was not easy today. Guys, if we get down close to 192, I'm going to take another little bit off. Right now, I think we can go to 194 on the stop. All right. Let's go to 194 on the LRCX stop. All right. Bison, let's take a look. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let me take a look at the daily here. Yesterday's bar is what concerns me, K-Trade. I mean, that's a move, man. That was a serious move yesterday. $6 on this stock. How much does it have left in the tank today is the question. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's got a lot left. It needs a resting day, you know what I mean? Meaning Monday, this thing was probably something you want to put on your watch list for Monday. All right. A little bit of green here in the markets. LRCX, guys. Tempted to walk. I won't do it. I promise you this. I won't do it unless it gets to 192. Okay? If it gets down to the low 192s, I'm going to walk on this thing. But right now, I think we're going to get tagged at 194. I just have a... See the bottoming tails on the 5? Bottoming tail here, bottoming tail here. I think this thing's going to bounce. The question is, will it hold? Right? Will it hold? You know, I don't know. Time will tell. Maybe we'll get one more quick flash down. I guess not. See the bottoming tail? So we'll see. If this thing stops me at 194, it'll be a break-even day today. If it comes back down to 192, it'll be about a half-hour up day, right? About a half-hour up day. So, you know, time will tell. Wow, BA is still going. I'm a little kind of blown away by this thing, only because the daily chart was stuck. Let's take a look at the daily real quick. Daily is stuck right at that top there at 348.50. And this thing just, it got it done today. It really did. Impressive, okay? Give credit where credit's due. JWN is back down at the lows. I mean, look at it. Guys, look at the magnet that 45.75 is. Look at the magnet on JWN. Guys, you want to see something? Watch this. There's the magnet, guys. Let me pull it out here for you. That's why it's stuck there. Okay, pivot, 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 pivot. Let's blow it up even bigger. Okay? It's stuck there for a reason. If it can get under this area, it should drop, right? It really should drop under that area, but pivot, 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 and there it is, 45.75. Let's go back to the 5 minute. It's a gorgeous, there it goes, boom. What did I say? If it gets under there, it should drop, but that's why it was stuck there. Yeah, LRCX is going to get us, guys. Boom, look at that, quick 25 cents, guys, on that, and the stop on it was about 10 or 15 cents. All right, see the 2 minute? Beautiful little volume spike. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So, it is what it is, guys, on LRCX. I want to say I told you so. I want to say I told you so. But here we go. Here we go. All right. Here it comes. I'll let you watch the pain. Like I said, I want to say I told you so. Multiple bottoming tails, and going to be out here any second. PYPL is still moving. BA is still moving. Straddling my order out. Done. LRCX. Sometimes following the plan's not much fun. All right, so out LRCX. Average exit 193.43.4. Okay. Sometimes following the plan sucks. That's the way it goes. Okay. The only thing crappy would be if this thing pivoted right here and came back. Is JWN a 3-bar play on the 15 minute? Yes. Yes, it is. All right, a lot of folks left early today. I guess it's Friday. Maybe they got BA and PayPal. I don't know. All right, so right now, guys, I'm down $23. That's about an eighth of an R. Minus $23. A little bit of, let's see what happened there. Got filled at 194.17, guys. Let's take a quick look at that. My order was at 194. Got filled at 194.17. That's reality trading, not the bullshit trading that everybody else is showing you out there. 194 is where I wanted to get filled, 194. And guys, that was 50 shares. 50 shares. Come on now. Right? The only thing you got to hope for is it doesn't pivot and go lower, but in that respect, it went more than an R, so we followed the rules there, and it is what it is. RDVT, that unmolex, RDVT. Yeah, daily's not bad, guys. The daily on RDVT over $10 is actually pretty nice. Over, wow, is that really 10 bucks? Yep, it's at 10. Okay. GIS had a good one. So right now, guys, just a quick recap. CERN was a 3/4 stop out earlier today. Baidu was a full stop out. GIS was a full winner, and LRCX was a partial winner. I'm gonna say LRCX was somewhere around, was that 60, 70 cents, and a little less than a half of an R. Slightly less than a half of an R. Okay, so all that put together is about break even. The only thing we're down today on is fees. So that 20 bucks is mainly, not entirely, but you know, mostly fees. So not quite done yet, but you know, that was what happened. You know what I mean? I don't really regret anything we traded, honestly. The only one that kind of pissed me off a little is Baidu. I thought Baidu was a reasonable entry, and then it just broke 10 cents below that area and went straight back up. It just snookied us. So again, this week, guys, for me, plus 51 bucks on Monday, minus 71 Tuesday, plus 533 Wednesday, yesterday plus $3.09, and today is minus $23. So a very choppy week. As you guys know, I'm doing this experiment for YouTube here the next few weeks, the next month or so. So this week's been a $200 risk. So right now I'm up about 2.5 R for the week. My risk was actually about 180 this week, so I'm probably up closer to 3 R for the week, but still, it's been a slow week. Last week was 9 or 10 R. This week is 3. What does that show you? It shows you, you know, everything's different. Some weeks you're rock star and you kill it, and other weeks you're just grinding. And this week was a grinder. Guys, watch Baidu under this area of 258.50, guys. All right, watch Baidu under that area. About 1.3 R for you, Cliff, and you're a fantastic trader. So getting 1.3 R is not the week you're used to seeing. You know what I mean? Not the week you're used to seeing. So LRCX, there you go, is like just under a half R on that. But anyway, for the folks out there on YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me trade the Open. I'll do this again probably next week sometime. I won't do it every day, but I will do it again. So have a good one. Hey guys, Jared Wesley. I hope you guys enjoyed that market open. I know these videos are a little bit longer, 30 to 45 minutes, and I know some people don't like to watch that whole thing, but that's on you. You're actually watching a professional trader trade the market open live. No bullshit, no charades, no parlor tricks, no magic tricks, just straightforward. Today I lost $23 today, guys. So let me recap the week before I let you guys go. So Monday I was plus $51, okay? Tuesday I was minus $73. Wednesday I was plus $533. Thursday I was plus $3.09, and today minus $23. It was an extremely choppy week, right? Last week I had 4 up days and 1 down day. This week was basically 4 break-even days and 1 up day, okay? I'm telling this to you, I'm being full disclosure to you guys because I want you to see that like a sales job, okay? There's ups and downs, peaks and valleys. So at the end of the week, I made about 500 bucks this week, and I was risking about $180. I was trying to risk 200, but it ended up being a little bit lower than that. So I made about 2.5 to 3 to 1 on my money. Last week I made 9 or 10 to 1 on my risk. That's the way it goes, okay? That's the way it goes. So we'll get back at it next week on Monday, and we'll continue to do the same thing. I hope you guys are learning a lot from these videos. You know why? Because nobody else out there is going to do this for you. Nobody else out there is going to do this for you, okay? Jared Wesley, Live Traders, I hope you enjoyed the review, and I hope you'll join me June 2nd and June 3rd for PTS Live Online. It will be all weekend, 10 hours Saturday, 10 hours on Sunday. I'm teaching this wonderful, beautiful, incredible, amazing course right there, okay? So you don't want to miss that for sure. But I'll talk to you guys on Monday, and we're going to have an even better week next week. And then come June, I'll raise that risk to 300, 400. You guys are going to see in a few months, we're going to be seeing $2,000 and $3,000 days. And you won't be able to say, oh, well, you know, that's bullshit, because you're going to be able to see the account number and everything. And you'll see, I started at 50. I'm going to get to 500, 1,000. You'll get to see the progression, all right? Have a great weekend, guys. Talk to you soon. Jared Wesley, Live Traders, checking out.